Hello and welcome back to another episode of Campus Chronicle. My name is Anshika. I'm from class 11 and I will be your reporter for this week and bring forth many glimpses from the school campus. To test the knowledge of the students at different levels, that is, school, district, region, national and international, different institutions conduct and organize Olympiads of various subjects from time to time. Students participate in great numbers and are awarded with medals and certificates in various categories. So, to test the knowledge and enhance this theme, our school has organized Hindi Olympiad for all the classes. CC activities immaculate the presentation skills, speaking skills, confidence, and develop psychomotor skills. So, our school keeps conducting CC activities for different groups. Today, we have two activities. First is class 3rd to 5 inter-house picture talk competition, where the participant is shown a picture and has to elaborate and comprehend it. We can see the child emphasizing on his mind to talk about the picture, and hence psychomotor skills along with learning and presentation skills are being developed. Poetry, a beautiful and mesmerizing way to express yourself. Poems are the songs of the heart as we can truly define them. So, to introduce and make the students familiar with this art, an inter-house poem recitation competition has been organized for classes 3rd to 5th in the school. Students beautifully recite the poems and express themselves in a mesmerizing way. Voice modulation, poem, the clarity, confidence are the parameters of this assessment. Leadership is about overcoming challenges and knowing responsibilities. To immaculate leadership along with responsibilities and self-confidence, students are given the monitorship of their classes to help them better in discipline and self-confidence. Leadership, as we all know, is all about overcoming challenges, knowing responsibilities, and proving yourself. Thus, to include leadership along with responsibilities and to build self-confidence, students are given the monitorship of their respective classes.
And Dotika.
To honor the sacred bond between brothers and sisters, our school joyfully celebrated Raksha Bandhan. The program aimed to instill the students in values of love, respect and responsibility towards one
In
another.
return, the brother promises to protect her and also give gift to express his love.
A special cultural presentation including poems, songs and a skit showcased the traditions associated with the festival.
पैचू जीते रहो जीते रहो जीते रहो। क्या एक और लगा हुआ है यार जीजू, और क्या मारती रहोगे? कुछ मीठा भी खिला दो। ले खीर खा, मैंने बनाई है।
To celebrate the rich cultural heritage of our nation, our school organized an inter-house solo singing competition for classes 6 to 8. The event highlighted the vibrancy of Indian traditions and festivals. The competition was judged by our honorable jury members consisting of our coordinator ma'am and the music teacher. The jury members judged the students on various parameters like the voice, selection of song, the chords, notes and much more. Shloks are the very basis of the Indian culture. All the Vedas, Upanishads and epics like Srimad Bhagavad Gita and the Ramayana are written in all shlok forms. Shloks are the very basis of the Indian culture. All the Vedas, Upanishads and epics like Srimad Bhagavad Gita and the Ramayana are written in all shlok forms. So, to connect the students to their roots and instill culture in them, an inter-house shlok recitation competition has been organized in the school campus for classes 6 to 8. The participants were assessed on various parameters like the presentation, the confidence, the pronunciation and much more. The students participated in the competition with great enthusiasm.